package exceeds my weight requirements, and I can't handle it. Your love is CrossFit. You got me flipping mental tires, jumping rope and shit. Feel like I tried hard, put in some good work, but in the end, the incidents today I diverge. My priorities no longer.
I scrolled down your Insta page, saw a picture that I didn't want to see. He had his hand around your waist and a smile on your face, like the way you look at me. It was only 8 months ago, he was holding your hand, slow dancing and kissing the top of your head. And I don't know how to compete with that, cause you were friends since you were kids, and it still feels like we just only met. Yeah, I was so naive, thinking that you've only felt this way for me. You always tell me I'm the only one you wanna be with, so why can't I believe it? Yeah, old boyfriends kinda scare me, cause they all got a little bit of history. Even when you try to tell me I got no real reason to worry, my mind starts to imagine things that never happened. I start to believe that you're still in love with some other has-been. Baby, I'm just asking, do you think I'm gonna be the last one?
You think that drinking's a sin, but we've been brothers since we were 8. So let's have a toast with tea and gin. I think we're all gonna be okay. You think our time is up? We're all different but still the same. You can say that again. Don't care whatever you are. Everyone's got an opinion. Who am I not to believe them? Although we're different, you're still a friend. Tell myself why